Hey friends, in this video we are going to compare POCO M4 Pro 5G versus vivo Y22 2022 in full detailing. We also given details about other important competitor phone at same price segment in the end, so let's compare. Let's see the highlight of the mobile phone. First we talk about the most important part of phone hardware. First of all, seeing the detail about CPU. Talking about GPU then. M4 Pro 5G have Mali G57 MC2 and Y22 have Mali G52 MC2 we can see. If we talk about chipset then. M4 Pro 5G have MediaTek Dimensity 810 MT6833 and Y22 have MediaTek Helio G70. Talking about RAM then, M4 Pro 5G have 3 options are available, with 4GB, 6GB, 8GB RAM, and Y22 have only 1 options, which have 4GB RAM. If we talking about internal memory then, M4 Pro 5G have 2 options are available, which have 64GB, 128GB storage and Y22 have only 1 options, which have 64GB storage. Expandable memory in both phones, up to 1 TB. Operating system in M4 Pro 5G Android V11 and in Y22 it's Android V12. Here is the complete details about battery. Let's see the information about display. Both phone have a same IPS LCD display. Display size M4 Pro 5G have 6.6 inches and Y22 have 6.55 inches. Aspect ratio in M4 Pro 5G it's 20:9 and in Y22 it's 20:1:9. Display resolution in M4 Pro 5G 1080x2400 and in Y22 there will be 720x1612 we can see. Screen to body ratio, M4 Pro 5G have 84.81% while Y22 it will be 82.84%. Refresh rate in M4 Pro 5G it will be 90 Hz and Y22 it's 60 Hz. If we talk about PPI density, then M4 Pro 5G have 399 pixels per inch and in Y22 there will be 270 pixels per inch. Let's talk about brightness then in M4 Pro 5G it's 450 nits and in Y22 it's 530 nits. Let's see the complete detail of body of both phones. Let's see the detail about our favorite features camera. Friends, first of all talk about rear camera then we can see 2 camera in M4 Pro 5G which is primary camera and finally ultra wide angle camera and Y22 also have a 2 camera which is primary camera and finally macro camera. If we talk about video camera then M4 Pro 5G have 8 and Y22 have 7. Different types of features are available. Now let's talk about the front selfie camera then in M4 Pro 5G have single camera can be seen which have 3 different features are available. And in Y22 have also single camera can be seen which have 2 features are available. Now, we check the detail about dimensions. Talking about the length of both the phones. M4 Pro 5G have 6.44 inch and in Y22 it's 6.47 inch. Width. In M4 Pro 5G have 2.98 inch and Y22 have 3 inch which are almost same. If we talk about thickness then, M4 Pro 5G have 0.35 inch and in Y22 it's 0.33 inch. Now let's talk about weight, then. M4 Pro 5G it's 195 grams and Y22 it has 190 grams. Let's see the secondary features of both phones. Talking about colors option then. M4 Pro 5G have 3 colors and Y22 have 2 colors options available. Here is the detail about network, Bluetooth, GPS and Wi-Fi. Friends, now let's talk about pros and cons then. POCO M4 Pro 5G have 8 pros and 1 cons, and if we talk about vivo Y22 2022 then we can see 8 pros and 4 cons. Finally talking about price then. M4 Pro 5G have 3 variants which are 4GB RAM 64GB storage at 14,999 rupees, 6GB RAM 128GB storage at 16,999 rupees, 8GB RAM 128GB storage at 18,999 rupees, and if we talk about Y22 then only one variant we can see which are in 4GB RAM 64GB storage at 14,499 rupees. Finally, talking about result then. In performance M4 Pro 5G it's ahead. In display both phone are same. In main camera both phone are same. In front, selfie camera both phone are same. Friends, now if we talk about the other competitor at same price. First one is Moto G22 4G, second is POCO M4 Pro, third one is Nokia G21, and the last one is iQOO Z6 5G. Also, details about all this competitor phone is available in description. If you like our video then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.